Good evening, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today in our online video class, we are going to learn exercise number 2.2. Before we could start the class, you should know the formula for finding the area of the circle. The formula for finding the area of the circle is pi r squared square units, where we know that the value of the pi is equal to 22 by 7, or we can use 3.14 if we need. And this small r refers the radius of the circle. Now let us start the new exercise 2.2. Find the area of the dining table whose diameter is 105 meter. In the question they are given the diameter d is equal to 105 meter. With this diameter we have to find the radius by using diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, that is d is equal to 2r. In the question they are given that the diameter d is equal to 105 meter. From the diameter we can find the radius by using the formula d is equal to 2 times the radius. From this we can say that the radius r is equal to diameter d divided by 2. By using the value of the diameter here, we can get the value of r, which is equal to 105 divided by 2. Also we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. And we know that the formula for finding the area of the circular dining table is equal to pi r square square units. By using the values of radius and the pi in this formula, we get 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 105 by 2. By dividing 22 by 2, we get 11 times. By multiplying all these values, we get 8662.5 meters square, which is the required area of the dining table of diameter 105 meter. Question number 2. Calculate the area of the shot put ring whose diameter is 2.135 meter. In the question they have given the diameter of the circular area. With this diameter we can find the radius of the shot put ring by using r is equal to d by 2. Therefore the radius r is equal to 2.135 by 2 meter. We know that the formula for finding the area of the circle is equal to pi r squared square units. By using the values of pi and the radius r in this formula, we get 22 by 7 into 2.135 by 2 into 2.135 by 2 again. By simplifying all these values, we get 3.581 meter square, which is the required area of the shot put ring of diameter 2.135 meter. Question number 3. A sprinkler placed at the center of a flower garden sprays water covering a circular area. If the area watered is 1386 cm square, find its radius and diameter. In the question, they are given that the area of the circular water covering is equal to 1386 cm square, and we know that the formula for finding the area is equal to pi r square. By using the values of the area and the value of pi in the formula, we get 1386 is equal to 22 by 7 into r squared. This equation can be written as r squared is equal to 1386 into 7 by 22. By dividing 1386 by 22, we get 63. So we can write 63 into 7. Here we can write 63 as 9 times 7. So 9 into 7 into 7. Also we can write 9 as 3 times 3. So we get 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, which means 3 squared into 7 squared. By cancelling square on both the sides, we get r is equal to 3 into 7, which implies r is equal to 21 centimeter. This is our required radius, which is equal to 21 centimeter. From this we can find the diameter by using d is equal to 2 into r. Therefore diameter d is equal to 2 times 21 is equal to 42 centimeter, which is the required diameter. Next, question number 4. The circumference of a circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. In the question, they are given that the circumference of the circular park is equal to 352 meter. And we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. The formula for finding the circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. By using the given value of circumference and the value of pi in this formula, we get 352 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. This equation can be written as r is equal to 352 divided by 2 into 7 by 22. By dividing 352 by 22, we get 16 times. By dividing 16 by 2, we get 8. So we can write 8 into 7. So the radius r is equal to 56 meter. Now we have to find the area of the circular park by using this radius. The formula for finding the area is equal to pi r square units. By using the value of pi and the radius in this formula, we get 22 by 7 into 56 into 56. By dividing 56 by 7, we get 8. So we can write 22 into 8 into 56. By multiplying all these numbers, we get 9856 meters square, which is the required area of the circular park. Okay students, this is the time for our assignment. Do the assignment given in your classwork notebook and send the images to the class group. To get the better practice, do the answers for the questions given in your textbook frequently. With this end, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.